All right, so welcome back. Now we're going to do the Sunday forecast. It's a little bit late, but yeah, I still need to do it. And yeah, let's start right away. So first, same thing. I'm still trading four pairs, and I'm going to do forecasting on that four. So I'm going to start on Euro USD. So for Euro USD, what what we are seeing is coming from this downtrend leg, and now we had some bounce and let's see. So we got an uptrend here, like some kind of break, a little break here. So this looks like hold on, what's the high? So 13.823, 13.828, 238. So yeah, this will be our low. And then we had this downtrend leg. So this is our breakup structure, our reversal. So you get a little bit of breakout here. So this is a breakout structure and then a reversal, and we got this huge volatility, and we got this major low and major high here, and again we got this little bit of break, so break from the upside. So it looks like a range for me. So low, 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 up, nothing much move. So it's kinda going down, but in a slow pace. And right now we had this breakdown. We had this breakdown, and again, what happened is a weak break. After a weak break, a retrace and a reversal. So kind of a bit tricky. Right. I don't want the break on this side, on the downside. So maybe I'll wait a little bit of price action. So with my high and my low here, what's that? I divide 7858. There you go. So this is our current range, and we got a nice momentum to the upside actually. But what I don't want is the wick over here. So to make this current price action interesting for me, let me plot the. So this would be our. Do we have a inside bar? No inside bar here. Oh, sorry. No inside bar. No inside bar on this leg. So our bullet entry would be here. Let me put it like this. So what I want would be, because of the strong price action to the upside, I want to get a range because it's Monday, right? So Monday should be ranging. Excuse me. So I want to see a range from here and then a little bit of break and then move to the upside. So this is what I want to see. And of course we want to get also a continuation or break of this and the bullet to the upside. I would like to turn this into green, and of course we could also see an ascending manner, and then break of that pattern, retest, and move to the downside. That would be a bearish move, or a break of this major low, and then retest, or a continuation bump or flag, and then move to the downside. So this is what I'm looking for this one, and of course we don't want to discount that it could easily break this major low into descending fashion, and then I'll wait. I'm gonna sit on my hands and then wait for a break of that descending channel. It could be, and wait for the bullet or a bump before continuing to the upside. So that's gonna be a bullish scenario. So there you go. So another bullish scenario would be bump. There you go. Let me put it up. Sorry. Let me change this. I can get this. There you go. So we could create a new high and do this three scenario, or break this major low and do this scenario. But as of now, because it has a counter momentum, if it continues to range on this area, I will want to see this kind of price action give me a range, and then no strong momentum shift when it breaks the bump line. And I could wait also for the combo here. So that's for Euro USD, and for Euro JPY. So downtrend, we got a nice leg moving to the downside here. So I would plot my low over here, and then high on this area, on this candle. So what we got prior action. So our prior action is a downside move. So from here, we got a break. Let's just analyze what happened before. We got a break. We get this long wick, huge wicks to the downside, and we got the reversal. All right, so we're trying to reverse, trying to move to the upside. So this is actually a good downward movement, but again, we got a good price action to the upside, but we got a wicks over here. So with that, yeah, to make the price structure interesting, I want to see it more to range on Mondays, and then get a bump, and then continue its move, right? Or we could just um, or we could just um, so I'll put my bullet entry here if possible. So that's for Monday, right? Or we could just easily get a new high and get bullet to continue the upward movement, and also we could get a bomb or an ascending channel and continue its downward movement right there. Of course, if it starts to break the major low, I would wait to see a bullet or a bomb. And I don't want to miss if it starts breaking down into a corrective pattern, wait to break that descending channel, and then wait for a good impulse or intention to the upside. There you go. So same thing, but so the prior action is downward, and is there an entry forming? Currently, no. I'm still waiting to for the price to unfold. Maybe I'll wait for the Monday, and then let's see what happened. Okay, so next, AUDUSD. So for AUDUSD, hold on. Hmm. So yeah, so last week we had this leg up, right? This leg up. So right now, what's the price action telling me is it looks like a range for me now. So that's why I drew this box. But what happened is, as we all know, as I've been doing on my previous forecasting, I have not this one. We know that we have a liquidity area on both sides of our range, right? So interestingly, we got this huge wick, getting this traders liquidated on this area, and then continue its move inside the box. So that's the prior action, right? And personally, I don't take trades inside the range, but now recently I've been observing and studying this kind of price action. I call this stop hunt, and I've been observing if I could um probably enter. Sorry, probably uh I could consider this as an opportunity. So this is a break going to the downside and starts moving up. So hold on. So if this is our low, for example, and then this is gonna be my high, there you go. So this probably could be an opportunity. So this is the bullet right there. If we get the black candle, I might trade it on I might trade it on the demo, and let's see if this top hunt. So the idea is it liquidate the stops here before continuing the move to the downside right there. So I'll update you guys, and then let's see what will happen, right? So this is interesting case study right now. Ranging, and I'm gonna sit my hands for now and observe for this. So to forecast, we could easily get a big impulse here and a bullet continuous move. Of course, we want a good impulse right there to make sure um, the price wants to move to the upside, or a bomb to continue that. And also, let's be aware that we could get this kind of price action, break that pattern or ascending channel, and then move to the downside. So that would be a bearish move, right? And of course, because of it's Monday, it could continue its range, and we could get this break, impulse break to the downside, and then I'll wait for a bullet or a retest. We could also get a flag continuation, and of course, I don't want to miss if it starts breaking this low correctively. Again, I would wait to break this descending channel and wait for a bullet or a bomb before continuing the move, and it's gonna be a bullish scenario for me. So that right there is the scenarios that could possibly unfold on this coming week. But for now, possible besides these possible moves, the entry for me right now would be this one. So I'm gonna focus here. All right, that's gonna be for AUDUSD and AUDJPY. Same thing, same scenario. So last week we had this leg, and then start breaking out on that channel, but it's not a good we didn't get a good trend, and I see this as a range last week. So I'm just going to adjust this actually. So the range expanded for me. So we got the low and then the major high here. I'm going to expand right there. So all JPY is basically prior action telling me that it's still ranging, right? So if some of you trading wants to trade a range trade, I mean this is good, you know. It's just ping ponging on the range on our area. But as of now, I'm not seeing any um, interesting pattern to get involved. So I would just sit my hand and then wait for possible impulse to the downside. Of course, get the retest. You could also wait for the bomb. Yeah. So just the same scenario, but I want to imagine it like this, so it would remind me that this is the possible moves that I can expect right there. So this is an impulse move. If it starts breaking the low correctively, I would wait for that break of a descending channel. And of course, I don't want to discount this break and retest. You know, if the price starts breaking out from this range, that would be interesting. So we have two continuation pattern, a retest or a flag. So I believe that yeah, trading is 80% psychology and 20% technical. So I'm focusing on these two kind of setups or strategy. And of course, we could get a corrective break out, and then I'll wait to break that ascending channel and wait for the two setups, descending or a retest, before continuing the downward move. So I guess that's it for now, right? So in summary, uh, Aussie pairs are ranging, but I'm interested on getting involved on odd USD. So I'm just gonna wait for a buy sell signal here for a red candle. So that's Aussie, and for EURJPY, it starts moving up, and then I'll just wait for opportunity, more price for me to be interested on getting in. All right, so thank you guys again, and I hope you had this helps you also, or motivate you to do your forecasting also. So that's about it. And trade and prosper. Keep moving forward. Do what excites. Bye bye. Thank you guys.